Is there going to be a new Mazda RX-8? Well, here's what we know so far and what we can expect. In 2015, the RX Vision was first announced, and later on, the official concept photos were made public. In 2016, the RX Vision physically appears at Concorso d'Eleganza in Villa d'Este, and in the same year, it wins the award for the most beautiful concept car of the year. Mazda stated that it has no current plans to build a sports car larger than the Miata. In 2017, Mazda reveals the concept for the Vision Coupe. In 2018, the Vision Coupe wins an award for Concept Car of the Year, and in the same year, it made some appearances at various motor shows. In 2019, the Mazda RX Vision GT3 was announced, and the official pictures were made public. In 2020, Mazda reveals the Vision GT3 virtual car. In 2021, Mazda files for some patents hinting at a new RX model. In the same year, the Vision GT3 virtual car joins Gran Turismo. In 2022, it also announced the MX-30, the first EV car with a rotary range extender. And in the same year, Mazda also filed for some more patents. In 2023, Mazda releases the MX-30 with a rotary range extender. In the same year, it also unveils the Mazda iconic SP concept car, an EV with a rotary range extender. And now, in 2024, we are simply flooded from left to right with AI versions of a new Mazda RX-8. So with almost 10 years since the first concept was put on the table, we still have no news of an RX model that will make it into production. I think that a new RX model solely powered by a petrol rotary engine is highly unlikely. I can see a hydrogen-powered rotary engine as it was already made in the past, but other than that, I think that the most probable substitute for the RX-8 that we're going to get will be an electric MX-5 with a rotary range extender. But then again, Mazda can surprise us and bring in a 3-rotor turbocharged RX-9 with all the bells and whistles and even more. And that, ladies and gentlemen, was the truckload of my opinions. You're welcome to leave me yours in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like, subscribe if you're new, and check out more RX-8 videos on my channel.